Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first you will need to wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button, and once you wake up the screen you should see the home screen. Then press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it, and here scroll through the menu and look for the option called OS and Update. Then tap on it, of course, and once you tap on OS and Update, scroll down and one of the options should be Factory Reset. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And let's wait until the process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screens, or rather on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.